Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about the impact of current situation on the product development strategy. Ideas is a technology driven product company. We believe that we are not just the vendors to our clients, but our partners of our clients. Giving the best in class client experience is at the core of ideas. And in doing so, we keep developing new features, new functionalities, and new products as well. But what client wants right now is not new features and new functionalities. We quickly understood that what client wants right now is how can we help client in these difficult times when the business is at the bottom. In order to help clients, we quickly changed our product strategy and product roadmap. We made changes to our algorithms, to our engines, to our features, to our functionalities in order to help client in these difficult times of business. We also put together the new items on our product roadmap to make sure that client is benefited when the situation start getting back to normal. So my advice to you guys will be think in terms of clients right now. If you help them, then that will be the best thing in order to give the best in class client experience. I also want to talk about work from home as the new normal. This is a very hot topic. At Ideas, we do our product development based on the agile principles. And one of the principles of agile development is face-to-face interactions. Now, when we are working from home, there is no question of having face-to-face interactions. So we are very skeptical as to how is it going to work? Are we going to deliver with the same efficiency? Are we going to deliver with the same pace? Well, it turned out to be that we indeed delivered with the same efficiency, if not more. How did that happen? Well, we cope up with the current situation. We put a lot of emphasis on meetings in Teams, on WebEx, over Skype, and we made sure that we don't slow down because we still have to help our clients and we have to help our clients quickly. So this was a big learning for us in terms of work from home, that if we truly believe that we can deliver at the same pace, then we indeed can deliver at the same pace. Well, that's it from my side. Thank you so much.